In this video, we will learn how to use and sign in Excel sheet. Here I am showing you one different trick of and sign in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some product name and I want the output in this way with the comma of every product. So normally someone just write the paper and use the comma, then write the second product, then comma, then he write the second third product. Okay, this is a way someone write the data, but here I'm showing you one different trick and time consuming trick. So let's see how it's done. Use the first comma column here. I use here the comma and drag in the below area. Okay, so I mean drag here, then use here the and sign, product name and sign, then use the comma and enter. Then same formula drag in below cell. Okay, then I use here the is equal to, first use the product and then I use is equal to again, then use the first product, then second product with the comma, then drag this formula below the cell. So here you see the output is get. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.